Hello and welcome to my Pachakacha on how what I do to hurt the saltwater and freshwater environments. My name is Harmir, and on my first slide, I'm going to be showing you a picture on how it looks when we humans have infected the waters of the ocean. So on the top left-hand side is a picture on freshwater and how it is perfect without any human uh, uses, and so on the top right hand corner, and on the bottom too, it is when it is contaminated by oil, garbage, etc. On yeah. The difference between saltwater and freshwater is saltwater is 200 times saltier than freshwater. It is, if you go out to the north and south poles, it is even saltier by a long shot. And saltwater also has a lower freezing point. So if water freezes at 0, salt water will freeze at -6 to -degrees Celsius. Saltwater and freshwater organisms. These are some of the organisms that live in the saltwater and freshwater environments. On one side there could be rays, jawfish, angelfish, and on this side it could be labyrinthfish and catfish. Okay, so this is a healthy freshwater turtle. Um, it lives in the freshwater environment, and when it is not hurt by any type of animal or attacked by some type of garbage bag or oil, it can be pretty healthy. Okay, so this is a sea turtle and a leatherback turtle. When they've been hurt or they've been like hurt by oil or been attacked, um, they are reptiles. 400. They weigh 400 pounds and reach about 45 inches in length. That's about it. Sharks. These are some pictures of healthy sharks and hurt sharks. This shark on the left has been hurt by oil. It damaged its sight and hearing, and on this side, it's on the shark without oil is swimming peacefully, hunting and surviving another day. So some facts about sharks are the biggest shark is the whale shark, 15 meters to 50 feet in length. Smallest shark is a dwarf lanternfish, is about 8 inches and 19 to 20 centimeters. Sharks are mostly blind, so they rely on their hearing a lot. What I do to the environment. Okay, so this is what I do to the environment and how I hurt other animals and etc. Right now, and still maybe going, I've taken up 2 football fields every 6 to 8 months, so pretty much 3.5, 4 fields of garbage. Half the food I eat is mostly packaged. What do I put down the drain? I tried this experiment while brushing my teeth. For me, it would be two-liter bottles of 7 Up or Pepsi. If the tap was on all the time, if the tap was on, it'd be 2 bottles of the one on the right, and if I wasn't, it'd be half a bottle of the one. How much oil I use every day? I mean every month. I don't know exactly how many liters I use, but the estimated is 56 gallons to fill up my car every month. I use about 70 liters on gas every time I fill up the car with my mom, and how much electricity. So every day I'm on my computers for about 5 hours, not including school. The total amount of computer time is 35 hours a week. I watch TV for 3 hours, and yeah. What happens to my electronics and cans? Every time I'm done with any type of battery, I usually just put it in the plastic bag and go to a store that recycles them, and it's called e-recycling for electronic recycling. Similar with bottles and cans, I go to the recycling place and give it there, and I get money back for returning them. Packaged foods. Half the food I eat is packaged, like rice, flour, and cookies. The unpackaged stuff I eat is pretty much any vegetable and fruit. 'Cause I just buy them and then put them in a plastic bag to keep them sealed and not get them rotten. Um, my promises. I will try to influence the people in my neighborhood to get them into the habit of reducing, reusing, and recycling whatever they can wherever they are. Also respect the environment because we only have one earth to live on, and we don't want to screw this up and then have to go live on a different world or planet. My second promise is to educate people on how important it is to keep this earth from being destroyed by toxic chemicals from the garbage we throw away. As you don't know that there's even more pollution in the air because of the garbage cans, because they run on gas too, and then they also carry around those toxic fumes in the garbage. My third promise is to reduce the amount of earth that I take up and how much football fields that I take up with garbage. The earth is not a garbage can, as you can see in the picture. Whatever we get our hands on, we should try to recycle it, like styrofoam and like other stuff. To lower My fourth promise is to lower the amount of gas used every month by at least 5 to 10%, and to reduce it further by walking or riding a bike to school or wherever close I have to go. Uh, my fifth and final promise is that I will lower the amount of packaged food I tend to eat a lot, like ice creams, chips, cookies, whatever is packaged. I will try to eat a lot less to save what I can and keep the earth from turning into a giant like garbage ball. Thank you for watching. I know this must have been a pain listening to me. If you like my address, you can just make a comment. If you'd like me to change anything else too, you can just comment below and I'll see if I can fix it. Thank you for watching, and these are the sites I used. I used Wikipedia, Google Images, underwatermarinelife.ca, the BP oil site, the BP oil spill main site, and that's about all the sites I had used.